All right, so which of the following linear equations contains the points shown in the table above? All right, so we're going to take these three equations here, these 3 points here, and plug them into each one of these equations, see if they all check out. If they don't check out once, that means that equation is not true for all values. It may actually be for some, but it won't be the correct answer. So let's first start off with y equals 10x plus 2. All right, and so 12 is y. Do 10 and 12 first. 12 is y. 10 times 10 plus 2. So it's going to be 12 equals 20, 120, 102. So that's not correct. So we know this one won't work. All right, let's try. All right, let's try y equals 2x minus 8. Y is going to be 12 equals 2 times 10 minus 8, which also equals 12. All right, let's try another one. Y equals 2x minus 8. Let's do 20 and 20 equals 2 times 20 minus 8. That's 32. That won't work. So that crosses out. You can try y equals 3 over 2x minus 3. 10 and 12. That's going to be 12 equals 3 over 2 times 10 minus 3, which equals 12. All right. All right, let's try 20 and 20. So that'll be 20 and 33, so that won't work. So the only answer would be D, because the other ones didn't work. So that was just a process of elimination. So none of these worked. So that is 2 divided by 10, 30 minus, so that would be 27. So none of those equations work, so the answer would be D. Thank you.